Have you noticed lately that more and more businesses are moving online? Well, with customers not comfortable stepping out of their homes, businesses know that selling online is not a luxury, rather a necessity now. Imagine if you could help them do exactly that with just a few clicks. What would that mean for your business, your profits, and your overall lifestyle? I bet that you have wondered how you can take your business to the next level. But let's face it, today everybody is posting services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and tens of other such platforms, offering to help local businesses sell successfully online. But yes, if you truly want to stand out from the massive crowd of service providers out there, then you'll need to up your game big time. And that means offering multiple services, and that too in a super professional manner. I mean, just put yourself in your client's shoes for a minute here. Would you put the survival of your business into the hands of someone on Fiverr or other such platforms? Or would you rather hire a full-blown professional agency? Well, I'm happy to introduce you to LocalAgencyBox. We have taken the 10 hottest niches and created a stunning, professional, and done-for-you marketing package for them. Leveraging our brand new professional website, beautiful graphics and brochures, done for you email campaigns and Facebook ads, and our incredible business cards and presentations. Now it is possible with your all new Local Agency Box. And the best part is you are getting this with not just one, but 10 of the hottest niches and industries. This means you could use all our marketing material for as many customers as you like, for all 10 of the agencies we're providing. This is great for online marketers, agencies, local marketers, or anyone wanting to make money by selling in-demand services to businesses and influencers. Now, we hired a professional graphics and design team to create all the Local Agency Box marketing resources, and they are all all right at your fingertips. Talk about being the authority in your niche. With your brand new Local Agency Box marketing resources, you position yourself as the go-to solution. You will convert prospects into clients so much easier. You will get way more customers, and your branding will be top-notch. The best part, you can customize everything to your liking and to match your brand. Just imagine how much time and money you will save by not having to create each resource by yourself or having to hire a graphic designer and web designer from scratch. You save thousands of dollars and hours of your time. With our Local Agency Box, you are ready to go in just seconds from now. Get more clients, make more sales, and all without any of the headaches. One of our customers, Juan Wayne, made $600 for a 90-second doodle video and $250 for a 15-second explainer video ad from clients that he closed using the agency marketing materials. And another happy customer, Paul, secured 5 recurring customers and made $36,000 in 6 weeks. Take a look at these and other such real success stories on the page below. Never before has such a powerful opportunity to profit ever been offered at an incredibly low price like this one. And have no authority in the market? No worries. With the Local Agency Box, you get exclusive rights to our testimonials and income proof to impress and close clients with ease. We will also share a list of top 50 freelancers that we have personally worked with who can deliver whatever service you pitch and sell to customers for less than $100. You could pitch your services on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and all the social media platforms. Have these freelancers do the work and get paid by selling their services to your clients for profits. Now, let me quickly show you the 10 kits that are included in Local Agency Box. You are getting a full-blown video marketing agency, content marketing agency, social media marketing agency, messenger bot agency, mobile app agency, restaurant digital agency, graphic design agency, website design agency, Facebook ads agency, and an SEO agency. Want to find out even more about these kits? Well, check out more details below. You don't want to miss out on that. Also, be sure to check out the exclusive bonuses and everything else that you will be needing to start profiting quickly. And by the way, that's also available during this limited introductory offer.